Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to talk to you guys about the Costco credit card. So I actually got a comment asking me, hey Rickita, can you do a review on this credit card? Let me know what credit score I need and then what credit bureaus they're going to pull. So I'm definitely going to get into that. And then I also want to go over this credit card in general. Now I did a lot of research on this credit card. And the best thing I found out, I'm going to give it to you guys right away, is that if you're in the military, you guys have a chance of getting the 0% interest rate. So definitely go ahead and give them a call. And I heard you have to be active duty though, and then you guys can get the 0%. And that's amazing. So definitely, I suggest you guys give them a call, confirm that information first. And if you're in the military, then definitely go ahead and sign up for this card. I really suggest it. Now, this credit card, they have a lot of different things. So you guys will be able to get 4% cash back at gas stations. And that's going to be up to $7,000 per year. Anything more than $7,000 is going to be 1%. You guys will get 3% at restaurants. So that's really good. And this is worldwide too. 2% with your purchases at Costco or online with them, and then 1% on all other purchases. Now, for you guys to even get this credit card, you have to have a membership with Costco. You have to. So make sure that you guys have that membership when you apply for this credit card. Now, there's no annual fee at all to have this credit card, no foreign transaction fees, and then your interest rate is going to be 15.24%. So that's a lot lower than the 24 we've been reviewing lately. We've been seeing like the 24% and the 29% on some of the bad credit cards. So theirs is 15.24 but I don't suggest you guys even leave a balance on your credit cards for that to even affect you guys. But here's the same details that we already went over. So you guys will be able to have the digital wallets with them. So that's really good. Tap your card to pay. So contactless pay. You guys have damage and theft protection too. So you guys will get 120 days from your purchase to get a full refund or repairs if something is damaged or stolen. But if you guys are in New York, you only have 90 days. So that is something I think is really cool. And they have some things here about entertainment. You guys will get special access to entertainment events and things like that. But this credit card, I read some of the reviews at the bottom, and let's go over the question that I had. So they're going to pull your Experian and your Equifax credit reports. When I did look it up, I seen a lot of people say that they pull both. So just be prepared for that. Somebody was able to get approved for this credit card right after a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, which is really cool. Not right after, but they had a Chapter 13 bankruptcy and they still got approved, and it's reported on the credit reports. I think they said there's like 6 years out, and somebody else said that they was 7 years completely outside of their Chapter 13 when they got approved too. So if you got a bankruptcy, you may want to wait just in case, because it seems like they're not going to approve you. And I'm not sure if that means that you should just get it removed and they'll approve you, or if there's another system where they'll find out about it. I'm not sure at all with that one. Now, with the credit scores, I'm seeing that they're saying that you should have like a 640 or higher. The person that had that bankruptcy had a 647. So I'm thinking, you guys try to have like a 660 or higher. But then he said that was the FACO score. So it's not really their credit score at all. It's like a Vantage credit score, like a Credit Karma credit score. But other than that, you guys, I still like that. You guys get all these different rewards. If you guys in the military, don't forget to give them a call. Definitely give them a call and try to see if you can get that 0%. Now, if you want to apply for this credit card, all you have to do is go to their website. I'm going to make sure I have it down in the comments, and go ahead and click on apply now. So look, the first thing they want to know is your membership number. So make sure you guys actually have a membership with Costco, and you guys shouldn't have a problem. But go ahead and put your membership number in. They're asking for your first and last name, your address, and your social security number, your date of birth, your country of citizenship, your phone number, your email address, And they want you to set up a secret word hint. So you have to pick one of this. What's your favorite snack, your favorite hobby? So you can have a secret word. And they probably use this for when you call in. They'll ask, hey, what's your secret word? What's your PIN code? So, yeah, you guys, make sure you don't forget this. And they're saying to go ahead and put down all your financials here. So that go ahead and put your financials here. So what's the total annual income? And then to how much you're paying for your mortgage or your rent payment. You can go ahead and put that there. So you can add an authorized user onto your account, but they saying you'll need their full name, date of birth, social, and then their Costco member number. So yeah, you can add authorized users on. So then that means this account is going to report to their credit reports, which is good. So let's look at some of the details with the terms and conditions. So again, we already know it's going to be 15.24%. If it's going to be cash advances, you guys are going to have the rate of 25.24%. So it's going to actually go up. And if you're going to do any balance transfers, you have to do a balance transfer within the first 2 months from the date of opening your account. So that's something for you guys to think about. So that means that they probably not going to do balance transfers after that date. So yeah, for some people want to transfer their balance onto a new credit card because the interest rate is lower. But if you want to do that, you got 2 months to do that. And here's the fees. You don't have any annual fees or transaction fees. For a balance transfer, they're going to charge you $5 or 5% of the amount of your transfer, whichever one is greater. And that's a lot to do a balance transfer. I think it'd be best if you guys go through Navy Fed for their balance transfer. I think that they don't charge for the balance transfer. I know some Discover accounts also is the same way. If you guys really want to do that balance transfer, because I don't think you should have to pay 5%. That's a lot. I don't think you should have to pay anything. So look into that. If you guys are doing a cash event, they're going to charge you $10 or 5% of the cash advance, whichever one is greater. You guys are not going to have any foreign transaction fees, but you guys, if you send in a late payment, you're going to have a $40 late payment fee up to $40, and then a return payment fee up to $40. But that's all of the things about the credit card. Make sure you guys look all the way into the terms and conditions, read everything so you can know exactly what's going on. And then after you read that, you agree with it, you put everything at the top. You have to put it at the top. Go ahead and check this box and go ahead and click agree and submit. But I'm not going to actually submit this application, but I'm happy I was able to do this video so that you guys will be able to see the Citibank Costco credit card. And on top of that, for the person that asked me to do this video, I'm happy I was able to do this for you. But remember, it's going to be Equifax and Experian that they're going to pull from. And the credit score, I think you should have like a 660 or at least that 647 on your Credit Karma. So if you guys want to make you a video like this, make sure you guys drop the name of the credit card down below, and then I'll make you a video. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge-off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repairs. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.